Welcome to Focaccia Friday. You might be wondering, have I lost it or am I just Midwestern? Today I baked a cheese and pickle focaccia to bring into my depressed coworkers because they're also Midwestern. On top of my signature dough, I placed Grillo's pickle chips and Havarti cheese. The idea is that the sour, crisp, acidic pickle cuts through the creamy cheese. It looks great, but I can't just make one focaccia for my coworkers. So I made a gluten-free version for the celiac queens and one with more robust flavors. This one has fontina and a sweet and spicy pickle. Honestly, this one turned out to taste a little bit better. And while I may have briefly doubted my sanity, these were a hit with the coworkers.